Okay, hi. So I just bought some bird whistles, also known as Swiss Warblers. If you don't know, these are more or less what Telephone uses when she does all her chirping sounds. I, for one, love Telephone, and if I can make some high-pitched noises and some bird sounds and do some cool whistling with one of these things, then that makes me super happy. So I have them right here, and I'm about to open them and do my best to try them out and take care of them, not destroy them, because I've heard they're really sensitive and that it's easy to break them. So we're gonna see how this goes. Okay. Whoa, these are tiny. That's what they look like. They're pretty small. They're even smaller than I thought they would be. We'll see how this works out. Put it in the middle of my tongue. This is weird. I might die. That is really weird. What if I swallow it? That would be horrible. Oh, what? It looks so messed up. I think I broke it. How did I mess it up already? So what I think I did wrong is I put this part on my tongue to like some extra stuff rather than just that part. So if this messes up, I've got one more. Here's this thing.
Two hours later.
Hey, this is a little weird sound. I keep hearing these like little squeaks that give me hope, and then I can't find them again. It's really annoying.
6.5 hours later.
There we go. Starting to see stars. I can give myself like 7 more minutes because I gotta eat.
12 seconds later.
Holy crap, that's crazy. So I'm spitting on my camera, oh no. That's so awesome. Wow, that's getting loud. That's so awesome! Oh my god. That's not good at all. It sounds horrible, but it's so fun. That's so good. That makes me so happy to hear that. Holy crap. Oh, that's so awesome. So, it could have gone way, way worse. I think that's going to be it for today, but it's super fun. I'm looking forward to messing with it more and hopefully not breaking any more of them because that sucked and I'm upset. And hopefully I can clean my camera out the spit that I just blessed it with. But yeah, it's really fun. I've been Renner Fox and thank you so much for watching. Bye.